Tuning in to Tyre Repairs Made Easy. Today I'm going to show you how to use a basic external repair, on the wheel repair. This is the kit we sell on eBay. Complete kit. If you search for eBay shop VW Hosey, and the complete kit, the item number is without gaps 261 745 386 703. If you search that on eBay, again, type the number in without any gaps, you'll find this complete tyre repair kit. I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. First of all, we need to make a hole. Once you've pulled out the nail or screw, insert the rasp, give it a rasp out, and then apply the vulcanising fluid to the hole. I'm actually demonstrating the slightly longer version. It's exactly the same. It's just that these ones you can use for doing truck tyres, tractor tyres, simply because they're longer. This one is a shorter length. I'm going to thread that through the needle. Pull it through until it's dead centre. You'll notice there's a slit in the end of the needle. You'll see why this is in just a moment. This tyre, by the way, has been inflated to 1 bar. That's the ideal pressure to insert the repair unit. Pull out the tool, insert the tip of the needle, push. Now if the tyre would have been dead flat, it would have been very hard to push that in because the tyre will collapse as you're pushing the insert tool in. You need to turn it until you see the repair unit start to twist. See it twisting? And then simply pull out the needle. You can see there we have no leaks. That's sealed. If it was a larger injury and it was still leaking, you simply insert another string repair at the point of the leak. Simply snip it off with a very sharp knife or a pair of side cutters. You want to leave about 1/8 of an inch sticking out. Inflate the tyre and you can use that straight away. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to Tyre Repairs Made Easy. Please visit our eBay shop, VW Hosey, where you'll find all these items available for sale. Thank you for tuning in once more. Bye bye.